All right, we have the bulk of the framework done. Got the shock mounts in, modified the upper arms to fit around the shock. Did the same thing on both sides. Got the mount made for the oil cooler. This little crossbar here between the two shock mount bars, I did that tonight. Been working on putting some little tabs and stuff in for hose routing and putting little zip tie tabs in back here for holding wiring harness. Working on all that kind of little stuff now, but most of the big stuff is done. Starting to look like a YXZ again. Pretty excited to move on to the engine. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the next update.